The Fisker Ocean can be locked and unlocked several ways, from the key fob button, the My Fisker mobile app, and by placing the key fob on the NFC sensor. Once unlocked, the door handles will extend out. Once inside the vehicle with the key fob, step on the brake for 2 seconds to enter ready mode. If the key fob is not detected, place the key fob on the NFC sensor located on the lower dash next to the steering wheel. The seats can be adjusted from the switches located on the side of the seats, and the steering wheel can be adjusted from the central touchscreen. To adjust the steering wheel position, enter Settings, then from the General menu, select Adjust Steering Wheel. Use the left steering wheel buttons to adjust the steering wheel position to your optimum setting. Once you have the rear view mirror position and the digital rear view mirror settings adjusted, you're ready to drive. Before attempting to shift out of park, ensure that the Fisker Ocean is in ready mode and that your seatbelt is fastened. To shift out of park, press on the brake pedal while the vehicle is in ready mode. Move the gear selector 2 positions up to engage reverse, and 2 positions down to engage drive. Once the vehicle is in drive or reverse, step on the accelerator pedal and the parking brake will disengage automatically. The drive mode can be selected from the right side of the steering wheel. We recommend Earth mode for maximum range and efficiency, Fun mode for day-to-day driving, and Hyper mode for more spirited drives. The Fisker Ocean is equipped with advanced driver assistance and safety features. Be sure to customize the ADAS system with your preferences in the settings menu.